Good evening, and welcome to the Chicago Bar Foundation's Passport to Chicago with the Chopping Block. My name is Andrea Miller. I'm the marketing manager at the Chopping Block. And we definitely wish we could welcome you back into our kitchens this evening for this great event, but we are very excited to bring the cooking to your own homes as we all navigate this new normal.
My name is Sarah Selzinski, and welcome to my home kitchen here in Evanston. I'm really excited that I'm able to be here and teach you how to make roasted vegetable and black bean enchiladas with a ranchero sauce and refried beans. They're onion flat, and maybe you're familiar with this technique from taking our knife skills class, but I'm gonna perch my fingers on top of my onion half. I'm gonna take my really sharp knife and I'm gonna cut through, but I'm gonna stop before I go all the way to the root end. So I'm gonna lift it up with my tongs and I'm gonna turn it. Do I have a lot of oohs and ahs going on in the crowd? I can just imagine hearing that right now. So that's exactly what you wanna see.
This is a demonstration class. We also do what we call a cook-along class. The demonstration classes that we're doing, they're quick, 30 minutes. They are meant to highlight the recipe that I'm going to teach you, and the idea is that you would cook that recipe then after the class. And we also offer our cook-along. So for example, this Thursday, or I think that's tomorrow, we have a cook-along class, and that's with our chef Hans Moser, who is doing a beautiful chicken schnitzel, and he is an expert. He's from Germany. I mean, come on, he is the best at that. So he's going to teach you that tomorrow. And what he'll do is he'll go through the entire recipe with you, so you can cook right alongside with him and ask him questions and be interactive.
So the word schnitzel is German, and it stands for sliver. And now I could see already this is sizzling. So here we go. This is what you want to hear when you're going to drop your schnitzel into this pan.
Focus really is going to be on the pâte à choux today. We are going to be making a chocolate sauce, some whipped cream, and some macerated fruit in there. But I really want you guys to get the dough down. They should be baked and ready to go to assemble by the end of class. That's what we're looking for.
Beautiful.
Lisa, what if somebody wants to reheat the chocolate sauce? Like if they have leftover and they keep it and then reheat it, what's the best way to do that?
Great question. I don't know the term leftover chocolate sauce, but no, seriously though, you can just have this in a Tupperware in your fridge. You can microwave it in 20-second intervals.
Oh yeah, we're really smoky now. I'm gonna take my smoked chips off, because I don't necessarily want smoky burgers, right? We have enough smoky flavor in our potatoes. You can actually see that our potatoes started to brown a little bit compared to some of them that are still white. That's how I know they've absorbed a lot of that smokiness.
We hope that you'll join us again this week or in future weeks. We have a great lineup of both demonstrations and hands-on classes.